If you have a Google account, you can watch, share and comment on YouTube content. You can connect your channel to a brand account if you want to use a different name on YouTube than your Google account. So guys, follow this instruction to create your own YouTube channel. Is a simple and quick process. Your Google account that you are already logging into on your computer, or login use the Google account you would like your channel to be associated. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Then click on the setting. Here click on Add or Manage your channel. You will see your all channel list. To create a new channel by clicking Create a new channel. Here see Create your channel name. Now enter your new channel name. After you enter the channel name, then tap the check mark and click on Create. This will create a new brand account. Here see, this channel does not exist, but don't worry guys. Now click again your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on Switch Account. Here you will see your all channel list. From here, select your new channel. Your new channel create done. Once you have created your channel, then go to your channel YouTube studio. See your interface, then click Continue. And you will be taken to the dashboard for your channel. Now it's time to the customize channel, such as manage basic info about your YouTube channel, description, profile photo, cover photo and others detail about your channel. I will come very soon with another video about these things. Till then everyone stay well.